The goats are being crazy, as usual. We made it to Belper this morning and we are waiting for our host at a park right now. And so far Belper seems cute and small. So we got a coffee too. Should be good.
This is Handley Farm. It's situated in the English countryside, just outside of Belper, and it's about 30 minutes outside of Derby. So it's right on the edge of the Peak District. So if we had had access to a car, we could have done a lot of cool hiking and climbing around here. The farmland in this area is still owned by nobility and leased to tenants, which is something which seemed strange to us and we weren't really aware was still a thing in the UK. We moved here for 2 weeks and met a lot of fun people who work here and volunteer here, because this is a sort of a community gathering spot where people come and help out with various activities like milking the goats or chopping firewood, or one day there were a lot of people working on making cider.
This video covers different tasks we did at Handley Farm. We did a lot of goat care and milking, we took on a garden project, and we even found some surprises in the garden, which you will see later. So we have a super nice day. This time we're in a little bungalow mini house thing. We got a bed, some dressers, a fireplace, and a whole bathroom with a shower and toilet.
We arrived on Guy Fawkes Day, when they had a big bonfire and a gathering of about 50 people.
The kitchen was always open to volunteers. There was always a hot pot of coffee ready to go and some tea water. Every morning the goats are milked, so there's also fresh goat milk that you can put in your coffee or tea. And surprisingly, the goat milk is not too goaty when it is fresh, so that was a plus.
The morning tasks included feeding the pigs with the leftovers from the restaurant, walking the dogs, and letting out and feeding the chickens. Then we were able to start milking the goats.
We just fed the pigs, so now we're gonna do some milking. This Billy goat right here and Cora, they're in love. Look at that.
The goats have to be milked every day. After having 1 or 2 kids, the goats continue to produce milk year-round. In summer, they produce about twice as much as we got visiting in November. The milk is drunk, fed to the pigs, or made into cheese. I don't like milking the goats, but Rowan doesn't mind it. This is Otis, the puppy. He's helping out. One of the main afternoon tasks was taking the goats out.
We take out the goats and we do hour shifts sitting with them to make sure that they don't get out, because they are some crazy animals. They get fed grass outside because this year was a bad harvest for hay. So we try to take them out every single day, and they're out here for 3 to 4 hours, maybe 5 some days if it's real nice. Today's pretty nice. It's beautiful. Here's my best friend goat, 110. She likes to snuggle me. Oh, see? Or eat me. And this is Cora. She's also a goat.
Unlike sheep and cows, goats are not easy to move. It took 4 of us to get them into the right field, and it was a struggle. We yelled, ran around, waved flags, and they still sometimes would go completely in the other direction. They often separated into two different groups, which made it especially challenging.
We also decided to take on a side project in the garden.
We arrived in November, just in time to get some seeds into the ground before it got too cold.
So Ben and I just sorted garlic and now we're gonna plant it. Ben has been working it for the past couple days to prep the beds. So they are prepped and we'll plant. It'll go onion, garlic, with spinach in between, and then a row of broad beans, and then we'll continue that order down. Onion, garlic, broad bean, onion, garlic, and that should do pretty well. It's still quite warm here. It's about to get cold, so we gotta get things in the ground and see how it goes.
One of the projects on the farm is a care farm, which is an alternative form of school for children who have alternative learning styles and get more out of a hands-on experience than a traditional classroom. The children are more interested in handling the goats than working on growing plants though, so we found that there was a lot to do in the garden. We haven't gotten to garden much since we left Robbinsburg, so we're excited to get our hands dirty. After we put the seeds in the ground, we covered the beds with cloth to keep the soil warmer.
We found potentially wood bluets, brownish cap, purpley bottom.
What do they smell like?
Very much like intense, kind of fruity. So
how are we going to confirm it?
we're gonna confirm it with a spore print, and there are quite a few of them. So this is good news because if it is the wood bluet, then we get to eat tasty mushrooms.
They were wood bluets and they were very tasty. Nearby, we also found some field mushroom, which were pretty good as well. Most of our times foraging here, we found almost nothing. It seemed like we were just a little bit too late.
You can tell that this microwave is from the UK because they have a reheat TM coffee and jacket potato.
The hunt is an English tradition where rich people dress up and ride around on horses, following their beagles in the hopes of catching a fox. Hunting foxes has been banned, but the tradition lives on, with the planting of scents for the beagles to follow. This year, it looked like they had upwards of 30 dogs.
We're leaving the UK.
Yes, we've had enough cold and almost our culture, but slightly different, and it's made us a little bit homesick, honestly. So we're ready to keep on traveling, get a move on. And a little hint, yes, we'll be exchanging these, oh god, for some sunglasses. We just did our last grocery shopping in the UK. We got some snacks for our flight tomorrow. And yeah, we're leaving the UK. We've been here for a month and a half, so it'll be nice to switch it up again.
Back to the warmth.
Yeah. What was the most surprising thing about the UK for you?
I could get custard at the grocery store. Nice big tubs.
I was surprised at the amount of barbed wire used.
Oh, and the anti-climb tape.
And I didn't realize people biked so much, but there were so many bikers in London. It was great.
And the food was better quality than I expected.
Yeah, so I'd say overall, good time in the UK.
Yeah.
All right, we are all geared up and yes, showing off, very good. We are headed to the bus station right now where we will catch a bus going to the airport, but it's like a 7-hour trip, so then we have an overnight. But then we're to our next destination and that's pretty exciting. And we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any guesses to where we're going, comment down below.